Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw an Owl, because yes you can draw an owl, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. All you're going to need are something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you have those two things, then we are ready to get started. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to turn my paper on its side, and right at the one end, I'm going to make a letter D. Does everyone see that? You've all made a capital D before. You're going to be amazing at this. And now, turn your paper. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a long, skinny U shape. Just like this. A D and a U. You got it? And inside your U, you're going to make another U. That's your owl's belly. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some wings so that we can show our owl is kind of getting ready to fly. And all you're going to do is draw a line down. See that line? And then connect it to its body. I'll show you again. Draw a line down, connect it to its body. Easy peasy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give our owl some little talent so he can hold on to things. And it's easy. We're just going to make 3 bumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's 1 foot. 1, 2, 3. It's 2 feet. 2 talons. You are all set, Mr. Owl. Except for you don't have a face yet. So, let's move back up to this D, which we now know is going to be our owl's head. And right at the very top, you're going to draw 2 circular eyes and some pupils. You're going to color them in. And the last step is we need to give him a little beak. Now, for an owl's beak, I'm going to give him a little upside down triangle. Now, I can draw an upside down triangle, but if you have trouble, turn your board upside down and draw a regular sized triangle. It's that easy. Now, we have a good looking bird-like creature right now. But I'm going to show you 2 different ways to add some texture and some feathers to your owl. On the wings, we're going to make feathers by just adding a couple of little lines. Easy. Looks like little feathers. We'll do it on the other wing. Feathers! And then on the chest of our owl, we're going to add feathers in a different way. This time, we're going to make little smiley faces. You ready? Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. All across your body. And now you have little feathers all over your chest. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make an owl. Yes, you can, because you just did. I hope you take some time to experiment with your owl. You can make lots of different types of feathers. Maybe invent your own way to make feathers. You can make your eyes and nose as big or as small as you want. You can make your wings taking off if you want. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button so you can get notified with new content. See you next time. Bye.